Hey everybody, welcome back to Nico Brothers. Today we're working on our 2016 Audi S5 that we got for our winning bid for $7,000 at our local Copart yard. Basically did the quarter panel on it, and now we're prepping for paint to get this thing all buttoned up, and after that do the interior because there's parts everywhere. It was taken apart. So definitely a lot of work ahead of us. It's gonna be a little bit of a challenge, but nothing we haven't done before, and it's already looking like a nice car already because that quarter panel was kind of a close color anyway, so that's really nice. Let's go ahead and get that wheel on there, lower it down, get it forward, cleaned up all around, get that door off. That way we can really see what's going on, make sure it's all scuffed and ready for paint. Still a little more prep work we gotta do, taping, cleaning, all that good stuff getting inside, but let's go ahead and get in the paint booth.
All right, just like that, we got this thing in the paint booth. Michael did a great job sanding.
Yeah, okay, all right.
It's gonna look good.
It's gonna look good.
The prep work, Michael. So if it turns out horrible, I can blame you.
Yep.
So if I make runs going down the whole thing, I blame you. Because I mean, when it's sanded, it sticks better. When it's scuffed, it doesn't stick so good. So maybe I will make one just on purpose, and I'll make you sand it down again.
Sounds like work, Ivan. I don't know.
So I went to the paint store. I got some paint. You know, I couldn't bring him a door because I was kind of driving around. But hopefully it's gonna match. So we're gonna blend it through onto the fender. It looks much darker, which is a really good sign. So the next thing I'm gonna do, I already tack clothed it, I wiped it down. We are going to put, all right, so now we gotta go and start putting the paint down. So we got a little bit of blender agent that we gotta put in because we gotta blend onto that fender, because that fender is the original color. We want it to be still matching to the bumper and the hood. So a little bit up here, a little bit down here. But I think about 5 coats of this metallic and put it nice and thin so it's not gonna be stripy. You know, because I don't know if you guys ever seen metallic stripes. It's very easily done, but we're gonna make sure that that doesn't happen. So let's go ahead and put about 5 coats of pearls, no, metallics on it. It's been a long day. So put a lot of metallics on it, and then once that's gonna be dry, we let it flash. We're gonna put about 2 coats of clear. Man, I won't put some pearl, Michael. Let's paint this thing yellow.
No.
I got yellow. Let's go.
One day.
But let's go ahead and start painting and knock this thing out.
Wow guys, check out that transition. You can't even tell that this used to be cut in pieces just the other day. Nice. And that's the part that you really won't be able to tell because there's a lot of covers over there. There's still gonna be some plastics, rubber. But on top right here, this transition, beautiful. Still the body line, so kept that in shape. Also over here, where it was kind of panel bonded and welded, all that good stuff. Looking great. This side you could tell a little bit with the seam sealer, but honestly that's all gonna be covered up. We just wanted to make sure that there's no rust or anything. It's all covered nicely, so definitely put a good bit on there. So that is awesome. But yeah, looking great. Really happy with it. What a great turnout. I definitely have a lot of work to do on the inside, so I'll get to that, but it looks great. I'm honestly really happy with the paint match. Everybody's all worried about the silver, you know, trying to match up and everything, but so far looking good. Really able to tell once we put it outside, give it a wash, you know, everything's on there. But so far looks good, because sometimes you can tell right away it's bad, but right now it seems like it's matching, so really happy about that. Thankful that it worked out, but unfortunately that's all the time for this video. Thanks for watching guys. We are gonna get this thing back together soon on the road, hopefully very soon, so we're gonna try to knock it out and get it done. But thanks for watching. Make sure you leave some comments, make sure you're subscribed. Thanks for all your support, and we'll see you next time.